Using Salesforce for sales involves several key steps to streamline the sales process and enhance customer relationship management. Lead management. Capture leads from various sources and track their progress through the sales pipeline. Use Salesforce tools like lead scoring and qualification to prioritize leads effectively. Opportunity management. Convert qualified leads into opportunities and manage them through stages such as prospecting, qualification, proposal, and closing. Utilize Salesforce's opportunity tracking features to monitor deal progress and forecast revenue. Contact management. Maintain a centralized database of customer contacts and interactions. Record all communication, including emails, calls, and meetings, in Salesforce to ensure a comprehensive view of customer relationships. Task and activity tracking. Schedule tasks and activities related to sales, such as follow-up calls, meetings, and demos within Salesforce. Set reminders and deadlines to stay organized and ensure timely follow-ups. Pipeline reporting. Generate sales reports and dashboards to analyze pipeline health, track key performance indicators, and identify areas for improvement. Customize reports to gain insights into sales trends, win rates, and revenue forecasts. Integration with other tools. Integrate Salesforce with other sales tools and systems, such as email marketing platforms and ERP systems, to streamline data flow and enhance productivity.